I'm watching the Samoa Kwaba na Adom TV Badwam Jumade so yeda Apostle Dr. Nita Kutegwa say any cranshen sem de do so no ye Badwam kase ensem no edoso na uko Facebook /Adom TV extra yedem live or gov't TV ye channel 119 DSTV 280 ko YouTube na search Adom TV tube kwadomonline.com semine sembebre wo ho Majoy Trish ntadi ba ko ene hwemi media fia amankwa tamaklo Yenti said in 7 inch no etie enra breach kese pa abo may ye susu ana nwen ho na said ye see ye ne said no obi e kano no Chief of Staff Julius Debra say eno den 7 no etudwa.
Here with the President of the Republic, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, the Vice President Professor Nana Jane Opoku-Agyeman, who is with us here, and the government of Ghana. I have the unpleasant duty, sadly, to announce a national tragedy involving the crash of a military helicopter this morning around the Adansi area in Ashanti region. Government regrets to announce the demise of the following persons in the tragic crash. Dr. Edward Kofi Omane-Boamah, Minister for Defense. Alhaji Dr. Ibrahim Murtala Muhammad, MP, Minister for Environment, Science and Technology. Alhaji Muniru Mohammed Lemona, Acting Deputy National Security Coordinator and former Minister for Food and Agriculture. Dr. Samuel Sapon, Vice Chairman of the National Democratic Congress. And Mr. Samuel Abuaji, a former parliamentary candidate. Squadron Leader Peter Bafemi Anala, Flying Officer Manin Chum Ampedu, and Sergeant Ernest Ado Mensah. The President and government extends our condolences and sympathies to the families of our comrades and the servicemen who died in service to the country. All flags are to fly at half-mast until further notice. Thank you.
The Chief of Staff for the Sansemi too, Jano na was up by Mumpenny 4. Eshada kwa busia ho kose won mo aye ana akobo amane efa ne asie ho nti aban Mumpenny ya mampani abede cheka ho eco defense and environment ministry won mabusia fo ho ne deputy national security coordinator ekobo won mamane.
Hey. So currently, the Vice President about Dr. Manipo Amalifio or Ghana Asamide Sunday helicopter now also late defense minister, the man so on environment minister. And now you pay a wakano or Obuase, a cozy Jumani Yaza, Unya Quensha. No, Onamdo, my Chief of Staff, Julius Debra, or announcement no award. Jubilee House, no, now, I'm paying John Dramani Mahama, Suma, Vice President, Jane now, Opoku-Agyeman there, Unzenim, na ban penuful ministers, Binum na one call, Ebusafwa, why sure wonderful, one word, one cobona, and there was in can call Chadu, or and Dr. Murtala Muhammad, Damaso, na Dr. Maniboamah, with you now, what Okoche Busafu, with what now was winning chair, now overshare, in Kano. National Deputy National Security Coordinator no so wanya ni bebi ko no wo ba ni fie no ho na waye amamre kakra osando ye nkramoni nti wo to won anyim za wesi na Bole Bambwe MP no gina Ghana Mampenyin John Dramani Mahama na delegation wo be na name na obo amensia no.
Your Excellency the Vice President of the Republic of Ghana, Ministers of State who are here, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, our family who are here. Indeed, today is a dark day. His Excellency, the President, is hiding somewhere, crying like a baby, because this has never happened in this country. And like the minister said, he asked that we should convey the information to the Yagbonwura. The Yagbonwura will get in touch with the Demanwura, and then the family will be informed. Of course, we also know that Alhaji Muniru has a family here in Accra. So the leadership of the party, the president, and Her Excellency thought it wise to come here. It's difficult to say it. But what God has decided, you and I cannot change it. That is why I started by saying, Kalu inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi raji'un. We all came from him. And whether we like it or not, we shall all go back to him. We didn't come one day. We came individually. And when we were coming, we didn't report to each other that we were coming here. So it is that we will go without reporting to each other that we are departing. Today, by the command of Allah, by the command of Allah, by the command of Allah, our Creator has asked one of his servants, a dedicated Muslim.
Oye no ebusia funo Alhaji Boniface oye ebusia ni ono so gina wana nem na oje asem no no ka chew nde za we si no yamfa so zeze ma ebusia funo sande hon wogizi dey yimpa biara yankopon aba asase du bia oye obi a ode ohwe na obaba ye za yankopon wasman nde ombrambe ye.
As a Muslim, first of all I'll say kullu nafs saikatul maut. Inna lillahi. As a Muslim, we shouldn't be surprised. No Muslim should be surprised when death comes. But as a Muslim, you don't know how it will come. Either you drown, or by arson, by fire, you lie in your room. Some Muslims would prefer to die through arson or to drown, because we believe that you see the pain of all life, and therefore right from that spot you are blessed. You have the path to Jannah. I can see pain in you. As I stand here on behalf of the family, we feel so sad. We feel so sad, but for him, he's a soldier, ever prepared anytime death comes. Death, as we all know, is a necessary end. It's part of life. It will come when it must come, and it has come at the right time. We feel the pain not on our own, but for you as a government. These are people who have gone out to fight for the country. They have gone to look for something for the family, but they ended in the middle of the journey. But that is not strange to us. Religiously, anybody who goes in search of food or in search for the family and he dies and doesn't come back home, for the family he's blessed. He's gone on a mission. And that mission that Alhaji Muniru went was not on his own. It was for the sake of the country. And so, therefore, he has sacrificed, like the Christians will say, Anabi Isako. He was crucified for the sins.
On Vice President Oko Adom no National Security Coordinator ne yiri kozin komo na obo na menze cheche na yire owie na mpemfu a waka ho say yes mpemfu ba ya ministers ahoro deputy ministers CEOs chief of staff agencies one mpemfu directors na zina obo anoman ba ha sesiaze wababa menze nti nipa ba asan na wababa menze wa hwe yim de za waka no so wakodo na wakọ bobo won ebusafa amene na wohu anamona wobotu yema asam no so demradom kase yekobe bia yema wohu za orkodo no yeba anum aswafo ne tefu wohu za orkodo kojo mensa abrampa na manzebo
Anshowa eni kwa santimantemu na kwahwa de Dr. Samuel Sapon ne fie se woni so kachira no pa otukwan aba eni yenko amansanchi ameko ho etwaso
Plain biaya yewe eye Dr. Samuel Sapon ni fia ewo asante mantem hia mechire nhye so na yewe na enei se obaha ya werehosem eyosu ene adwadwo wohwe nso a canopy na omo ebo ni nyina ne se ejam fododo na eguso eba ni nyina ye asem kase ni brichi a ene de wukuade yebeka se Black Wednesday eto oman Ghana a ene se brain ekotehweye ewo adansi bofoda ekowi ase enipa bese nwotwede won nyina kran na yekenkan no beto odwa se Dr. Samuel Sapon companyfo akunina nei brain ye hwiase wo mo efrimi behu ene ye ba fie ha yi ye hu se oba kunani ene abusan dodo na wo mo etwa adwajo a enya asem ketwa adom kase ene party mabi ene adofo ne ajamfo bi a omba ha bi bonkomo ena omo kire se eno echi enso no parliamentary candidate edman hia so ema LPG eye Miss Joanna woni adom kase abonkomo se Dr. Samuel Sapon ye nipa bi a obekai ne pa ni se mo de tu ani no ebi enie emprempre yeguso ewo ha na nipa dodo na ba na eba yedi nkan de ani akire mu ewo party na try kese mu akpakọ hwe de na ekoso wo enei ye Dr. Samuel Sapon ifie papai se bekai a ono obeye Asante regional minister enokra so danchen so a wosan ebeye Kumasi mayor a na enya asem ketwa nipa dodo na nsem omo kan se papai de oman Ghana ya hwera de papa amansan chia me kwadwo bi mduku ama ne bo Asante mantem eti so me no
the man the motian preocupo ne se Dr. Sapon me papa just say ne fa no pe nyina me nso me phone no me nko yi fe na say WhatsApp so wa me nko ho na me hu hwe ti one madam for me frɛ be for something ya no friend say o papa ewu na papa ewu me papa bay no say doctor am sade
yenye no so na yemfa kase no nsi ha yakwa aba ye nche de bon krata no ne akwadononline.com yakwa basisia